Hi guys, in this video I am going to teach you a super simple way to meditate that will really help you balance your sun chakra or your solar plexus chakra, which is at the root of all of our insecurities and issues with feeling capable and feeling strong enough and powerful enough, really, and especially as empaths. So much of our perceived self-esteem roots in the health and the balance of this sun chakra. So stay tuned. If you're just joining me, my name is Susan. I was born clairvoyant, and all while growing up, I pretty much manifested dark night of the soul after dark night of the soul because I had promised to keep all of that to myself. So I grew up thinking I was pretty unlovable actually, and it all came to a head in 2017 when I had a near-death experience because of chronic Lyme, and it changed my perception on everything. And today I mentor spiritually awakening women. So welcome, and so happy you're here. And let's get started. So as empaths especially, we do a lot of our extra sensing, if you want to call it that. We do so much of our energetic sensing through this chakra. Every time you think of somebody, just even think of somebody, you're sending out, without realizing it, something like an energetic tentacle through time and space that goes into that person's auric field. And that's how you seem to have that uncanny ability to know how somebody's doing, even if you haven't talked to them in a long time. That really is the magic of that superpower that is empathy. But what happens, because you sense so naturally and effortlessly in that way, you're always picking up other people's stuff and bringing it back into your own auric field. In this chakra, and it's typically portrayed as yellow, this is the chakra that all empaths do that kind of sensing through. And in general, for anyone, even if you're not an empath, this is the chakra that when it's in proper balance, that means we've got a great sense of self-esteem, that we feel sufficiently capable, that we are not plagued by doubts and insecurity, that we have a good, solid, strong sense of self. It's not arrogance, and it's not shaky, but just consider, the strong, solid shape of the sun, and it's burning bright. It's solid, it's on fire, and it does when it's healthy, when that chakra is healthy and energy is flowing in and out and it's not out of balance in any way. It is like the furnace for so much of our passion for life, and that inner knowing that we can handle whatever life throws at us. So this is the meditation. I want you to give it a try, and please do let me know in the comments how this works for you. So come into center, get grounded, whatever your thing is, right? Come into your meditation, and you are going to envision this chakra. You're going to envision the sun right here, the core of your being. And you're going to first put your finger on your right nostril, and you're going to take a deep breath in. And as you're doing that, you are imagining the beautiful flames of this chakra just roaring upwards and all the way through you and burning away everything that needs releasing. So again, you do this, and then you switch it. So you go from here, you switch nostrils, and you exhale through this nostril. And as you're doing that, you're imagining that those same flames coursing all around you and through you and down through you, down to the core of Mother Earth, burning away all that does not serve you, and anchoring you again to the center of Mother Earth. And it really is that simple, and you can do this several times throughout the day. If you have felt on shaky ground with your self-esteem lately, this is a great way to bookend your day. So again, you are envisioning the sun in your core. First, you put your finger over your right nostril and you inhale those flames, burning away all that does not serve, all the way up, all the way around you, all the way through you. Then you switch nostrils and exhale in that same way while you are imagining those flames burning away all that does not serve, all the way down and through you, and finally wrapping around Mother Earth's core. It really is that simple. And for me, in my practice, I have always really resonated with what is simple. And I think that's because our mind typically wants to overanalyze, but our heart, which is effortlessly connected with our greater soul selves, our heart is not trying to overanalyze. And if something resonates as simple and true, I've always trusted it, and I've always used it. It's the most simple things in my practice that survive, year after year and decade after decade. So this may seem simple, but I do promise it is so powerful. Please give it a try. I hope this helps you as much as it has me. I love you all. Take care.